10 reasons why you should use castor oil before bed. Are you tired of restless nights and waking up feeling exhausted? What if I told you there's a simple solution that can transform your nightly routine and boost your overall health? Well, look no further than castor oil. Let's delve into the world of castor oil, a natural remedy that has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable health benefits. Derived from the seeds of the castor oil plant, this potent oil has a rich history spanning ancient civilizations to modern wellness trends. Join us as we explore the wonders of castor oil and discover how it can revolutionize your bedtime routine for the better. Reason 1. Promotes hair growth. Castor oil, a powerhouse of nutrients including vitamin E, proteins, and minerals, serves as a potent elixir for your hair. These nutrients work wonders by deeply nourishing the scalp and fortifying hair follicles from within. When applied to the scalp before bedtime, castor oil initiates a remarkable process. It stimulates blood circulation in the scalp, thereby creating an optimal environment for hair growth. As the blood flow increases, it carries essential nutrients to the hair follicles, promoting their health and vitality. Moreover, this enhanced blood circulation helps in reducing hair fall by strengthening the roots, preventing premature hair loss. By incorporating castor oil into your nightly routine, you're not only nourishing your hair, but also fostering its growth potential. So, if you're looking to achieve luscious locks, consider adding castor oil to your bedtime regimen. It's a simple yet effective step towards promoting healthier, more resilient hair. Now, let's shift our focus to reason number 2, a soothing remedy for those achy joints and sore muscles. If you've been searching for a natural way to ease pain and inflammation, castor oil might just be the solution you've been looking for. The secret weapon in castor oil? Its impressive anti-inflammatory properties. Here's how it works its magic. When you massage castor oil onto your joints and muscles before bedtime, you're unleashing a powerhouse of relief. Castor oil contains compounds that help reduce inflammation, providing a calming effect on those areas that need it the most. But it's not just about a surface-level sensation. Castor oil penetrates deep into the skin, reaching the underlying tissues and joints. This makes it an excellent choice for addressing both surface discomfort and deeper, more persistent pain. If you are finding these tips valuable, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health and wellness content. Reason 3. Strengthens nails. Brittle nails can be a source of frustration for many, but with the power of castor oil, you can strengthen them from the roots up. Castor oil serves as a natural remedy to combat brittle nails, thanks to its nourishing properties. By simply massaging a few drops of castor oil onto your nails and cuticles before bedtime, you provide them with a potent dose of hydration and nutrients. Castor oil penetrates deeply into the nails and surrounding skin, delivering essential vitamins and minerals that promote nail health. This nightly ritual of nail massage with castor oil works wonders in nourishing and hydrating the nails, thereby fortifying them from within. As the oil seeps into the nail bed, it strengthens the nails at their roots, making them less prone to breakage and splitting. Over time, consistent use of castor oil leads to visibly stronger and healthier nails. Say goodbye to brittle nails and hello to nails that are resilient and beautiful. So, if you're looking to transform your nails and achieve long-lasting strength, make castor oil your go-to solution. A few drops before bed can make all the difference, leaving you with nails that are strong, healthy, and beautiful. Reason 4. Fights acne and blemishes. Beyond its benefits for hair, castor oil emerges as a potent ally in the battle against acne and blemishes. This wonder oil possesses remarkable antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a natural remedy for troubled skin. By virtue of its antimicrobial properties, castor oil serves as a formidable opponent to acne-causing bacteria. These microscopic invaders thrive in clogged pores, leading to the formation of unsightly blemishes. However, when castor oil is applied as a spot treatment before bedtime, it sets in motion a process of microbial eradication. The oil penetrates deep into the pores, targeting and eliminating acne-causing bacteria at their source. Furthermore, castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties come into play, reducing redness and swelling associated with acne. This soothing effect helps in calming irritated skin, promoting faster healing of existing blemishes. By the time morning arrives, the skin treated with castor oil reveals its clarity. Inflammation subsides, and the complexion appears noticeably clearer and smoother. So, for those struggling with acne and blemishes, consider harnessing the power of castor oil as a bedtime spot treatment. It's a natural and effective solution that paves the way for clearer, healthier skin. Reason 5. Moisturizes skin. Castor oil's benefits extend beyond treating specific skin concerns. It's also a powerhouse when it comes to overall skin hydration. Renowned for its deeply moisturizing properties, castor oil has the ability to penetrate the skin's layers, providing hydration that lasts throughout the night. When applied before bedtime, castor oil acts as a protective barrier, sealing in moisture and preventing water loss from the skin. Its thick consistency creates a shield that prevents transepidermal water loss, ensuring that your skin remains adequately hydrated as you sleep. By morning, the effects of this overnight hydration are palpable. The skin, replenished and rejuvenated, feels soft, supple, and nourished. The radiant glow that accompanies well-hydrated skin serves as a testament to the efficacy of castor oil as a moisturizer. So, if you're seeking a solution to dry or dehydrated skin, consider incorporating castor oil into your nightly skincare routine. Its deep moisturizing properties promise to leave your skin looking and feeling refreshed, revitalized, and radiant. Reason 6. Enhances eyelash and eyebrow growth. Long, luscious lashes and perfectly groomed eyebrows are coveted by many, and with castor oil, achieving them is easier than you think. This natural elixir holds the key to enhancing eyelash and eyebrow growth, giving you fuller and more defined features. By simply applying castor oil to your lashes and brows before bedtime, you provide them with a nourishing boost that stimulates hair follicles and promotes growth. Using a clean mascara wand or cotton swab, gently coat your lashes and brows with castor oil, ensuring thorough coverage. As you sleep, the potent nutrients in castor oil work their magic, penetrating deep into the hair follicles to nourish and strengthen them from within. Regular use of castor oil in this manner not only encourages the growth of longer and thicker lashes and brows, but also helps to prevent breakage and shedding. Over time, you'll notice a visible improvement in the length and fullness of your lashes and brows, enhancing your natural beauty with minimal effort. So, if you've been longing for fuller and more voluminous lashes and brows, look no further than castor oil. A nightly application is all it takes to unlock the secret to gorgeous, flutter-worthy lashes and perfectly sculpted brows. Reason 7. Improves sleep quality. A restful night's sleep is essential for overall well-being, and castor oil can play a key role in achieving just that. Its soothing aroma has the remarkable ability to calm the mind and promote relaxation, paving the way for better sleep quality. Applying a small amount of castor oil to your temples or chest before bed sets the stage for a calming bedtime ritual. As you inhale the gentle scent of the oil, you'll feel the stresses of the day begin to melt away, replaced by a sense of tranquility and peace. The act of massaging castor oil onto your skin also promotes relaxation, easing tension in the muscles and helping you unwind after a long day. This tactile experience further enhances the soothing effects of the oil, making it easier to drift off into a peaceful slumber. By incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine, you create a serene environment that encourages deep and restorative sleep. When morning arrives, you'll awaken feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, ready to tackle the day ahead with clarity and energy. So, if you struggle with sleepless nights or restless sleep, consider harnessing the power of castor oil to improve your sleep quality. A simple application before bed can make all the difference, helping you experience the restorative benefits of a good night's sleep. Reason 8. Treats dry scalp and dandruff. Dealing with dry scalp and dandruff can be both uncomfortable and embarrassing, but with castor oil, relief is on the horizon. This versatile oil offers a natural solution to combating dryness and dandruff, restoring health and vitality to your scalp. By massaging castor oil into your scalp before bedtime, you initiate a deeply hydrating treatment that targets dry skin at its source. The rich consistency of castor oil allows it to penetrate deeply into the scalp, delivering essential moisture and nutrients to parched skin. As you massage the oil into your scalp, you'll experience immediate relief from itchiness and discomfort. The soothing properties of castor oil help to calm inflammation and reduce irritation, providing much-needed comfort to your scalp. With regular use, castor oil works wonders in eliminating dandruff, leaving your scalp feeling refreshed and revitalized. Say goodbye to flakes and hello to a healthier, more nourished scalp. So, if dry scalp and dandruff are causing you frustration, consider incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine. A simple massage before bed can make all the difference, restoring balance to your scalp and giving you the confidence to flaunt your looks. Reason 9. Enhances eye health. Did you know that castor oil can benefit your eyes? It might come as a surprise, but this natural elixir offers remarkable advantages for your eye health. Applying a small amount of castor oil around your eyes before bed can work wonders. How? Well, let's delve into the science behind it. Puffiness and dark circles are common concerns for many, especially after a long day. But fear not, as castor oil comes to the rescue. Its gentle yet effective properties help to reduce puffiness by promoting lymphatic drainage. As you apply it around your eyes, the oil penetrates the skin, stimulating the lymphatic vessels to remove excess fluid and reduce swelling. But that's not all. Dark circles, often caused by factors like fatigue or genetics, can also be addressed with castor oil. Its nourishing components aid in improving blood circulation around the eyes, which can help diminish the appearance of dark circles over time. The result? A brighter, more refreshed look in the morning, ready to tackle the day ahead with confidence. So, if you're tired of looking tired, consider adding castor oil to your nightly routine. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance your eye health and achieve that bright-eyed, refreshed appearance you've been longing for. Reason 10. Supports overall health. Castor oil isn't just a beauty staple, it's also a powerful ally in promoting overall health and well-being. This multi-purpose oil offers a host of internal benefits that can transform your health from the inside out. Consuming a teaspoon of castor oil before bed can work wonders for your digestive system. Its lubricating properties help to ease bowel movements, relieving constipation and promoting regularity. Additionally, castor oil acts as a gentle detoxifier, helping to flush out toxins from the body and support overall detoxification processes. By incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine, you're not only addressing external concerns, but also nurturing your body from within. Its holistic approach to health ensures that you're taking care of your entire being, inside and out. So there you have it, 10 powerful reasons why you should incorporate castor oil into your bedtime routine. Whether it's for your hair, skin, nails, or overall health, this natural elixir has got you covered. Give it a try tonight and wake up to a healthier, more beautiful you. Until next time, sweet dreams and take care.